And what's up, folks? I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the secrets to using the law of attraction. I spoke about this a lot before, and I'm just going to touch up on it, and you can use this to manifest anything that you desire and achieve your goals. Thank you guys for listening to my videos. It's been amazing doing this for you guys. I'm sending you guys amazing energy. You guys are amazing. Continue to do what you've been doing, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for the support. First secret to using the law of attraction. You have to focus on whatever you want to attract. So whatever you focus on grows, and the more you focus on it, the more it will attract into your life. So focus on the goal that you have at hand. Do whatever. Keep it in your mind. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Limit the distractions from like social media. Sometimes you may have to miss out on hanging out with your friends. You know, I had to be busy or whatnot during the weekends. Just focus on your goals. Have fun. Have fun here and there. It's nothing wrong to have fun. There's nothing wrong with having fun. But limit the distractions that will keep you off track. You know, stay focused and do your best to achieve. Next, you can meditate. Meditation allows you to clear your mind and to keep focus. When you clear your mind, you'll be able to receive messages from the universe and guided spirits, and you're able to visualize what you're going after during meditation, and you're keeping a focus on that at hand. I'm gonna get into visualization later, in a later point, but yeah, you can visualize whatever you want during meditation. Just like how you're trying to open up the chakras and everything, you're visualizing that color, and you're visualizing letting that energy flow through your body and give you and activating your chakras. Excuse me. Next, you can exercise. Exercising will keep your body feeling good. The energy that will flow through your body will allow you to vibrate high. The higher you vibrate, the more you'll attract positivity into your life. So yeah, these are ways to fully vibrate high. I have a video on that too. And the reason to vibrate high, so you can not just attract positivity into your life, so you can feel amazing. You can spread the positive energy that you're feeling, and you can achieve greatness by vibrating high. Sometimes we have to vibrate low. Sometimes we do vibrate low. It's because we're in a bad mood, and it's okay to vibrate low at times too, just to experience the emotions that you're going through. There's no emotion that is the wrong emotion. So every emotion is good. You're the ones that allow you to vibrate low, but you just have to find a way to vibrate high and to keep going. Next, be grateful. Express gratitude. Say thank you whenever you can. Be appreciative for whatever is done for you. Live more in your heart and not your ego. The more grateful you are, the more you have to be grateful for. This is another way to raise your vibration. So just say thank you. Wake up every morning, be like, thank you. Tell yourself something amazing. Be grateful for yourself. Be grateful for your family. Be grateful for your friends. Be grateful for the people that have looked out for you. Be grateful for having a home, a roof over your head. Be grateful for however you can go from point A to B, whether it's walking, public transportation, a car, bike, whatever. Be grateful for that. Be grateful that you're, in school or something. Be grateful that you have a job. You're doing something. Be grateful for doing something and not being out on the streets, because there's somebody that's always worse off than you are. So be grateful for what you have, and be grateful for your health. Be grateful for your life. Be grateful for everything. Not anything that just benefits you, but anything. Just be grateful. Next, visualize what you want. Imagery is a beneficial way to attract the desire that you have. Your imagination is your inner magic. You have to visualize the life that you want to live until it's right in front of you. So yeah, I used to visualize just speaking over a mic, and look at me now, I'm visualizing. Well, the mic is right in front of me, and it's only going to get bigger and better. And now I'm recording on YouTube and uploading it. I have my own podcast, And it's amazing. I used to visualize this stuff all the time. Now I'm actually putting in the work and doing it. Next, act as you already have it. Act as you already have it in your life. So if you want to be like a teacher or something, act as if you're already a teacher. Plan out your notes. Plan out your curriculum. You know, make rubrics for yourself. Practice lessons with other people. Do as though that you already have the lifestyle that you're already living, that you're living the lifestyle that you dream of living. Act as you're living the lifestyle that you dream of living, and you have no choice but to attract it into your life. So this is the part of taking action. Take action. You have to work for everything that you want to achieve. This goes for anything in life, whether you want a job promotion and whether you want to get straight A's in school. You have to work, you have to put the time in, you have to focus, you have to get distracted less, and just do anything in your power to get to where you need to be, and trust the process, enjoy the journey. You guys are amazing people. Thank you for listening. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'm in a lighter mood now than I was yesterday. I wasn't able to do a double upload. I was tired at the class, but I'm gonna be back for double upload today. I'm gonna go live today. And thank you guys for listening. I love you guys. I'm sending you guys amazing energy. Thank you.